Okay, welcome back to another tutorial from QGIS Tutorials. Today I will show you how to estimate aspect from digital elevation model in QGIS software. If you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's start. To do this, first of all, we need to import our digital elevation model into QGIS software. To do this, I'm gonna use this one, and as you can see, it's successfully added. In the next step, I need to check its coordinate system to be correctly referenced. From properties, I can do this, and from source, here we can see the assigned coordinate system for my file, and it's correct. If it's not correct and you need to change that, you can use a raster here from projection, wrap, reproject. As input layer, you have to import your digital elevation model. In target CRS, I can select CRS. From here, I can put on predefined CRSA, and in filter, I can search for my zone. For me, it's 38N. As you can see, by searching, we have a list of 38N, and you can select one of these coordinate system. For me, this is the correct one. As you can see, WGS 84, UTM zone 38N. By clicking on run, it's gonna add it successfully. Okay, I don't need it, then I skip this one. Okay, in the next step, I'm gonna estimate aspect for my digital elevation model. To do this, I'm gonna use raster from analysis. I can use that one. Otherwise, and also you can use processing toolbox and search for aspect. If it's not active for you, you can use processing, and by clicking on toolbox, you can add it here successfully. Right now, I'm gonna go here from GDAL, raster analysis, and from aspect, I'm gonna call my order. Okay, as input layer, we have to import our digital elevation model, and band number is gonna be in default. And from these options, we can choose whatever we are interested. For example, I'm gonna use this one. Further details regarding these options can be found here in help. And as you can see here, return trigonometric angle instead of azimuth. You can see that it's gonna be from 0 to 90 degree, or 180 or 270. This is the Earth's direction, and you can use that one or the other options that you can find here. Depends on your usage, you can choose one of them. And for me, this one is okay. Right now, in aspect, I have to define an output folder. For this, I'm gonna use aspect, and inside that one, I'm saying aspect and save. Right now, everything is okay, and I can click on run. Okay, it's successfully run it. And this is the produced aspect based on digital elevation model for my study area. It's in gray, and we can change its color by properties from symbology. I can give it multiple bounds, or let's say platted one, and we can classify them. Okay, by clicking and apply, we can have this color, or you can change, of course. I'm gonna use single bands also, and this is the result of my aspect. Okay, until now it's okay. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you, and thank you very much for your attention.